कैसे हो? Today we're gonna play Escape Carnival of Terror with my friend Daniel and me, Zidan. Let's play. Come, Daniel. Okay. Right. Also, by the way, I'm looking. Let's do a race. Nobody's waiting for each other. Okay. Let's see who does it first. I believe I can fly. Da 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 da. Why do I see a balloon? Hello. No hello and no bye. Bye bye. Oh shit, I think you're gonna come. You're so far away. I'm trying to land. Perfect. Wait, I want to see you. Where are you? Come fast. I'm on the metal bars. If you're like too stuck, I have to wait for it. Okay. And then when you like almost finish, I'll run. Just come on this and then I'll run. Bye. Shit. Oh, let us behind me. Go. Ah! Help me. I finished. Again. I finished the game. You finished the game so fast? Yeah. Huh? Please. There was one portal telling if you want to finish the game, I did. Bye. I'm just looking at it. How many times will you die? Once it goes, then you have to run. And then stop. Then when the other one goes, then you have to run. Go. When it comes, you don't have to run. Type in the comments how many times Daniel dies. He's the green person and I'm the blue one. Get jump scares. Wow. Yes. Da. Hi, yeah, what is this? Bro, I'm falling. Where are you? I am at the stick to jump on top. I'm a hand person. I'm at the hands of the cloud. You're just next to me, bro. Hello. Checkpoint. Da. Ooh, oh my God, so flat. Yes. Where are you? I'm at the godly staircase. I'm at the pipe staircase. Okay, that only I finished right now. Can you wait? I'm on the pipes to walk. It's very fine. Thank you. How much more? Oh, come on. Bye. I'm waiting for you on top. Where are you? I can't see you only. You're not on the proper. Wait, I'm waiting for you. No! Are you serious? You're too far away. You can't even do anything. Wait a second. I'll show you. Boom. Now Daniel is going to show aura farming. Daniel, don't play, yeah? Daniel is aura farming. Daniel is aura farming. How is he going so fast? Oh my God! Daniel is jumping. Bro, why are you jumping? I can see you from top. I am a god. Even though I have never played this game ever in my life. Hey? You have. So many times you have played this game. But I've never beaten it. Yeah, that's what I have also. We have just reached till the jumping part. Now I stopped waiting for you. I'm running for my life. before I get a wife.
What? Wait. Go. Oh! Go. How come you're going so fast?
I am a magic. Oh yeah.
Oh, what is
You're gonna
it?
die now. You're gonna die now.
Oh no, not. Are you serious?
Oh my god, why did he come ahead of me?
Where is he?
Shit, he killed me.
I'm running. Ah!
Why do you die so much? But why am I not going up? Oh.
Please let me on. Yes, I'm free. I'm free.
You're on the purple one.
Yes.
Okay, I'm on the red one. You're like one floor down.
So I can see you. Hello. Hello, my baby. Yeah, how
Please
long?
don't die here, it's very easy. Where I am right now.
Oh, wow. Teleportation power.
Bro, you died there? So easy it is.
I know.
Bye bye. Go slowly.
I'm going slow.
Not that slow also. Daniel is going to Orafan. Daniel, aura farming mode is too much, bro. See now, so fast he is going. Oh, there's some things down. Daniel, I don't even know where you are. I'm just dancing here.
Dancing where?
Still remember it's a race.
What do I have to do here? And you're gonna lose.
Oh my god, I'm at the edge. Hello. Oh, bye. Oh my god, it makes me pieces.
What is this? Go. Ah! I was at the last spike and I died. Go, jump. Oh, I jumped it. Jump. Ooh, Gibber. Jump spreading is so
Oh my
small.
god. Hello, Daniel. See, there's a choppers over here.
Choppers?
Choppers.
Jumpers? Oh, God. Go. Ah! Are you serious? I want to do all that. Choo. Are you serious? I'm struggling.
Oh god.
It is dropping me down.
You're there? Okay, now Daniel is going to Orafan. Bro, why am I standing like a statue over there?
Oh.
I was just waiting for you, Daniel.
Hello. Oh, wow.
Wow.
I don't know. I just went.
Bro, you finished it?
Yeah. I'm waiting for you.
Hello.
Ding,
It's a
ding,
race, you know.
What is that about? Only one you shut up, Jim. Oh my god.
Get out.
You get out. Up.
Oh, I also fell down.
Yeah, jump scares.
Bro, don't say bro, you dropped me down.
How come I drop you down? Maybe I did.
Daniel, why are you dropping me down?
Down.
Bro, how much?
Oh.
Bro, why are you dropping me down?
You dropped.
First, let me only go.
No.
Bye bye.
It's cheating. I let you go. So
What?
what?
Cheating?
Oh.
Why you let me go? Go for it.
Please, yes, finally.
Bye.
No, don't.
Miss you.
Checkpoint, yay. Go.
Miss you, Daniel. Meet you, my funny bunny. Hey, yo, what the flip, man?
No, come on, please, let me up.
What
Hello.
do you mean, let me up?
I'm
And what do you mean, hello? Oh, ma! Sorry, bello.
What is a mellow?
You said hello, I said bello.
Turn out the light.
Turn out the what?
It's saying who will fall damage, bro.
I'm running like a Superman.
Superman. Ooh.
Aura farming.
Bro, look at where I am. I'm stuck.
I'm so far away, bro.
Give yourself a high five.
Okay, now I'm gonna wait for Daniel. Daniel's gonna aura farm. And died. Daniel's gonna aura farm. Daniel's gonna aura farm. Daniel's gonna aura farm. Daniel's gonna aura farm. Hey yo!
Hey, yo, baby.
Don't touch me. We are playing for 11 minutes.
11 minutes and we are already here.
Yeah, we are a pros. Because we are Stoke Bros.
Stuck, bro.
I don't know what does that mean, but... Wow! Daniel stopped aura farming now. I don't know why. I am a Superman. I am a Superman. Double, triple dunge. Dunge?
I'll make you jump high. Oh,
Double, triple dunge. Dunge?
Dunge? What is dunge?
Double, triple dunge. Dunge.
Give yourself a high five.
No.
Boing. Boing. Boing.
Double,
Please.
triple dunge.
Ayash. Where are you?
You fell?
It's so hard. It's so hard.
I think Daniel's gonna aura farm now. Daniel's gonna aura farm and die.
I'm farming and dying are the most beautiful thing.
Okay, fine. I'm waiting for Daniel and Daniel's gonna aura farm. See, I am a Babu Lili Lala. You know who is a fan of a fan? A fan.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know.
Good one. What the heck is this?
Daniel, what the heck is this? Why you play so bad? No. Daniel is aura farming, bro. I'm waiting for you. Still, you're. Somebody name Don't touch, bro.
Technologia.
Somebody name Technologia.
Technologia.
Did y'all see, guys? Somebody named Technologia. Whoever is this Technologia, subscribe to me, otherwise I'll come to your house and do. Bro, I'm like standing like a statue, and your Daniel is doing time pass, and now I see Daniel and I'm running. Bye bye. Shit, I died.
Wow.
Shut up. Get the heck out.
Oh God.
Bro, what the hell? I think it's rigged.
You rigged?
Wait, I have an idea.
How come it's rigged? Are you serious?
Why, boy? I'm in the volcano.
Which volcano?
What? What is this thing, Brian?
Ben! Oh,
Daniel's gonna aura farm. Time. We made a song and Daniel's gonna aura farm.
Rhymes also. Daniel's going to aura farm.
Oh, I saw Daniel. Shit. I was just dancing, but he came. Shit, now you're gonna die, Daniel. This is very hard. You have to go in the house of terror. Oh God. See?
So hard.
You have to go on the pink lines or you'll die.
Yeah, I'm not falling for that, bro.
What do you mean I'm not falling for that? You have to go on the pink lines and you'll get an aura farming kit, and that aura farming kit you have to brush your teeth and play.
Why is this? I'm hallucinating. Whoa, what is this? Whoa. Freedom!
I did it before you. Oh my god. See, watch your steps. There are bear traps like your moonlight chucked in the moonlight.
What?
A cheese of moonlight chucked in the moonlight.
What is that supposed
I
to?
don't know, bro. I'm in the police station.
You're in the police station?
I think. Because there's gunshots over here.
Not every police station is a police station.
What do you
Some
mean?
police stations poop also. I'm so far away, boy.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
So hard. How about this? I'm finally at the police.
You're at the police, yeah. This is the police shot sound I got.
What is this?
Daniel, I'm just waiting for you. Let me see what's out of there.
I exploded.
Oh my god! I think we won. Daniel's gonna order for. Oh my god! Daniel! I'm seeing your screen. What are you doing? Why did you just die?
I like to die.
Bro, this if you even touch it, you. Daniel, what are you doing? Don't touch it now. Say sorry to the gamers.
Sorry.
Paper. Police. Alika. Daniel, jump to the left. I mean the right. Shut up, yapping, bro. Pew. It's like, shut up. Why are you yapping? Oh god. Like, what the heck?
Don't tell me we start to get red.
Daniel, why you die so much? Daniel! Why you not doing so nice? What? You didn't eat roti today?
I like roti.
Yeah, Daniel won. Now Daniel come out of the door. Oh my god. You came?
Yeah.
Why did you came?
What's
Oh
wrong?
god. Bye.
See you later, suckers.
I am ahead of you, boy. So slow.
Hey, go fast.
What is this? Now it's going to be very fast.
Go.
Yeah, so bad it is. Why don't they run away? Oh my god, now it's fast.
Oy. Okay, now it's slow.
Now it's very fast.
How do you know? Oh,
See, I'm going so fast.
so am I. Wee. This is
I think there's more. Or we won. Oh, we won. Wait. I think we won. Let me turn this corner.
I believe I can fly.
Oh. It took me to some game. Grumpy Escape.
Grumpy.
Let's see. Oh, Grumpy Grand. Let's play. Come on. Join me.
How do you join?
Just join me. Just. I'm doing the same thing. Press easy, yeah.
Yeah. We've never played this game ever before.
I have played. It's very hard. You came? You came. I can see you.
Easy. Easy lemon squeezy.
Come on. It's like Granny, okay? So it's very scary. Come.
It's literally just Granny but in Roblox.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come behind me. I know what to do. I know what to not. Come here. Find grandma's cookies. Okay.
What the cookies?
So why is the door not opening?
Open. Okay, it's not opening.
Come behind me. Where you are?
I'm coming, my little baby. Let me out.
Run!
I'm just running.
She's running behind us. She wants to do the pause. Oh! Bye bye. Oh shit! She killed me.
Let me out.
You're dead.
Do you have to go in our room?
Why should I give you the cookies, boy?
When we
I
go.
don't exactly know what to do. It's Granny. Let's just go to sleep. Sleep, bro.
Let me sleep.
What the heck?
It's Granny.
She killed you.
What do you do?
Here you have to go. Oh, see your living room.
Shut up. Just make me go mad.
Bro, what to do? I don't know what to do. See. Once you come here.
Come on, Granny. Come on.
Oh my god, what the heck?
I
I got the attic key. Come on, let's go up. She'll take time to come up because she has that potty sitting. Oh god! Shit, she killed me.
I'm still alive.
How are you still alive?
I don't know. Let me out.
No, I don't want to give you the cookies back.
Let me out.
Why are you running behind me?
I'm alive.
Bro, where to even open the key? Oh, here. Attic. I think she stopped
Just-
coming. Oh god, what the heck?
Run. Do not go back.
Oh god.
Don't tell me you start.
Oh, hey. Come on.
Let's go.
Be careful, here. It is very spiky.
Spiky. Lovely spiky.
Shut up.
Okay, fine.
Hey, yo.
That falls?
I don't know.
What is this? Then why did I hear falling? Let me.
No, this game never stops.
Hey, what is this?
What do you mean, Rayo? What is it? It is a game. We are playing. Hey, yo, why is it blue staircases?
Mistake is. Yeah.
Oh, where are we? In potty sitting room?
I love but are you serious?
Bro, where are we going? This new update is like driving me crazy.
This is an update.
I don't know. It looks different.
Jump.
Bro, where are you to take the cookies back? Oh god! Oh god! Shit, I'm dead. What the heck, man?
Finally, I'm up.
But what? I can't see anything.
How do we get up there?
I don't have the cookies, Granny. Leave me. I love you. Come on. Why, bro, Granny? I love you. I'm your beta.
What? How do you
I'm
get
your
up to this?
Granny, मैं आपका पोता हूँ. अरे bro, I can't see. What is this? Galaxy. Bro, I don't want to give you the cookies back. Why are you so tempted to take the cookies? Why are you coming to get me? Oh, somebody's grave. Bye. Somebody's grave I came in. Sorry, whoever's grave it is.
I don't see Granny.
Arey, you didn't came out. I don't know where I am. I'm doing something.
You're doing what?
I'm very far away from you, but yeah, I'm very far away from you. I'll take you to me. Wait. Why does this sound like cooties?
Cooties?
Coolies.
Coolies. I love coolies. Coolie. Okay. Choop.
Where are you?
I don't know where I am. I don't know who I am.
Why?
Do we jump out the window?
Give me the cookies back. Like, where are you?
What?
She's gonna come from there.
No. Oh no! Please! I don't want to die. I do so.
Hey, yo, who's this guy?
Oh, I
This
went
guy is trying to kill me.
Which guy?
What? There's like zombie guys.
A zombie guys?
Every corner I see.
A zombie guys? Are you so?
I don't know.
I went in. Bro, I went in the grave. Are you supposed
But where are you to take the cookies back? Tell me your address, auntie. I'll come. I'll come for one still dinner. Candlelight dinner.
What
We
did
go on a date.
Hey, yo, what this is? Where are you? Give
अरे
it
भाई क्या करूँ मैं तेरा cookies का? Cookies back. नशा चढ़ गया तेरा cookies का. Cookies
You're
back.
supposed
Cookies
to.
back.
You're supposed to go in the grave. But I am very far from the grave, bro. Oh my god! I don't know. Just go in the grave. I have to go in this door. Oh,
Daniel.
is going to order farm.
Do not touch my phone, please.
Okay, fine.
Play on your own phone.
Please. Please.
You disgusting. Why you look like a granny manny?
I'm Grandpa.
Grandpa Pampa?
I've married Grandma.
I want to see you, my girlfriend. Hello, Granny. I love you.
Stop with that.
Hi. I'm your hubby bubby. Why you dying so much? Dana, why you die so much? I don't like to tell them that you die. But why? Why do you die? See this, I was talking about these. Now see from where people come. See now. See? What are these? What is this? Goofy people. Daniel, please play properly. Yeah, these goofy people will come and you will not come to know.
Oh, I love to. But
See, there's like doggies behind me. 10 different doggies. Just for one boy. Daniel. There's like doggies behind you, bro. Bro, who's making that?
that's Grammy.
Why is she sleeping? Okay. I don't want to give you your cookies back, Mr. Granny.
She's very big.
Now I'm gonna start playing to my granny's grave.
Oh my god.
Bro, Granny reminds me of Granny.
Wow.
How she tells, I see you.
She doesn't say I see you.
She says, I see you. With the granny and grandpa.
I thought you were talking about this Granny.
Hey, yo, what is this?
What is what?
There's like a go-kart in this house.
The go-kart in the
Hey,
house?
see Granny's husband, grandpa.
But I thought
See, I'm like in the dirt cart.
a dirt cart?
See. I'm in the dirt cart.
Are you serious?
I am a cool boy.
Time to Aura Farm.
It's like a
Like a
like
what?
your mommy.
What?
Like your mommy.
What did you say?
Like your mommy.
Take that back.
I don't know. How we used to play in your house with the Ferrari car. That
Yes.
only.
Ooh.
But in this we have to jump. In Darius prison we take the juice and run.
Yeah.
Like that we take here also.
I'm scared. Mom.
They
Joop. Are you serious?
Daniel, I'm having fun go-karting with Granny's poopy. Granny, thank you. I'll give you 2,000 for rent, okay? Daniel is oraphamine. First let me play.
No,
Stop, bro. I don't want to take your mommy. Granny's mommy is very mommy. Hey, yo, what the heck? They've copied Barry's prison, bro. This is not good. Like a piece of wool is running behind me now. First a dog, Granny's dog used to run behind me. Shit! Piece of wool.
Hey, can you play? Daniel is. Where is Daniel? I don't know where's Daniel, bro. Why is such a dumb bro? Daniel is aura farming. Daniel, you aura farm and you die also. No. I want to show you the go-karting Granny's husband, Grandpa. She's so gorgeous.
What is this?
She looks so gorgeous. Grandpa looks so gorgeous. Grandpa is a
What is this?
Granny बोलती है वाह. Granny बोले गली मिला, थोड़ा सा पप्पी भी मिला.
Stop it.
Daniel बोला stop it. Grandpa बोला pop it.
Of what?
Your mommy.
What?
Why are you telling all these questions? Pop. See these. No. Daniel, you have to do it on the first try, okay? Say okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Such a noob, bro. You said okay and you died. What the heck? Daniel, see, this is Grandpa. Daniel, see, turn around and see, this is What?
You can double
You can double jump, Daniel. Did you know this? Don't touch my phone or I'll kill your phone. I'll tell your mom that your phone. This is like a white land over here, Daniel. I love that white land. It's so soft bedding they've put. Aura farming stopped. Daniel, why not let me try? Let me try playing.
Okay.
Because you don't play nice. See, now I'm playing. See, I play so nice. So nice. It's okay. Third is a lucky charm. You died 2 times, that's fine. Now I'll play. Sorry, guys. Woo! Such a big song is coming. Wee! What is that? Daniel, take the phone back. I don't want to play for you. I'm just joking. Let me play. I'm only playing this, huh? In the video, I'm only playing 1 time for you. Daniel, how about you only try? Because if you're playing, you only do it. And I'll go ahead. It was a good cut. Bro, I didn't. Why you touch my phone, Daniel? Banana. Oh God, I can double. Banana. Oh, Granny came back.
Grandpa.
Granny will come back, I think. Yeah, Granny is gonna come with something. Cookie bazooka. Where is she? But where? Acha. Bro, how many grannies?
What?
Bro, how many grannies?
That's the final boss.
What?
Yeah, that's the final boss. You haven't heard?
Oof. So fun.
let me see. Oh my god. Behind me also they will be. I don't know. What the heck? I don't want to play this.
Papa, can I kiss you? I want to.
I finished.
You finished the game already?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I finished killing them. Let me go in the tent house.
The tent.
Winner's room. I won.
Yeah, that's it.
I got cookies to eat. I wanna eat so many cookies. I wanna finish this box too. Morning? What do you mean morning?
It took a whole day.
No. Where we can drive this again? No, where are you? You're still there?
I got this so hard.
You're such a noob, bro. Really? You took 271 minutes to play? Are you dumb? Are you even play? We'll play another game after this. Daniel, just leave it. It won't happen from you. Okay, fine. I'll try. I'll try making you win. Because after this, it's very easy. To kill her, it is little tough. Okay, fine. I have to make you win now. Then you'll cry after I shut down the video. So I have to just let you win. Off the AC. Green button. Is it off?
It's off.
Okay. So cool over here. Just in my house.
You can stop, right?
Stop. I know. Come on, this is the second last.
Second
Here I have to go slow. I finished. Yeah. Oh my god!
close. So we're fishing.
Oh god.
Now the grannies. The great.
Now it's gonna be very hard. So let me only cookie Zuka. See how many?
I see so many grannies.
That's what. This is why I hate this game. Oh my god.
There's a billion grannies.
Oh, help me.
Please don't let them touch you.
Oh my god. All are behind me only. They love me. They want to kill me. But still, I don't know how. I killed all. I made you also win.
Double winner.
See, I am here on the go-kart. Oh, I removed from the go-kart. So, now let's leave the game and play something else.
Wait, I want to try the Coke Cup.
Let's play something else.
What do we play?
And something.
What? Should we play Rivals?
No, it's like not fun.
How come it's
Okay, fine.
okay?
Bye.